Hello, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my speech. This is my family. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about Adam Sandler. He is my famous person speech. So he's an actor, a comedian, and a musician. Why I like Adam Sandler? Growing up, I loved to watch television and movies with my family. My dad loved to watch Adam Sandler movies over and over again. The movie Big Daddy was the first movie I can remember watching Adam in it. As the years went on, my dad and I had a tradition to watch all the new movies that came out with Adam Sandler. Adam's movies helped create a bond with my dad and gave us something to laugh and talk about movies other than sports or school. Adam Sandler is now 55 years old, was born in Brooklyn, New York on September 9th, 1966. After his first film debate, Going Overboard, in 1989, Sandler performed in comedian clubs at the age of 17. He was discovered by a comedian, Dennis Miller, who caught his act in Los Angeles and recommended him to Saturday Night Live. He was part of a Saturday night crew from 1990 to 1995, where he met some of his best friends that star in most of his films. His movie career in the mid-90s paid around $2 to $3 million per film, and now making $20 million per movie. His most creative content came in 2014 when Netflix paid him $250 million to star in 4 films. So Adam Sandler's family. Adam Sandler is married to Jackie Sandler and has 2 daughters, Sunny Sandler and Sadie Sandler. He first met his wife while making the movie Big Daddy. Even though she only had 2 lines in the movie, he knew when he first locked eyes with her, she was the one. Adam didn't want to do another movie after that without his wife doing cameos or parts in his movies. His daughters also have taken roles as well, making it a family business and spending quality time together. Where you might have seen Adam Sandler is one of the most successful actors in the game, and has starred in at least 60 films, giving him a weekly net worth of $420 million. Sandler is a comedian powerhouse, director, and producer. He was nominated for 9 awards and won 3, such as the 2020 Spirit Award Best Male Lead, 2005 People's Choice Award Favorite On-Screen Matchup, 2000 People's Choice Award Favorite Moment Picture Star in Comedian. He also supports 19 charities and 20 causes. Sandler's family lives in his huge $6 million LA house, even though their family is one of the wealthiest in LA. Adam is known to walk around town in relaxing everyday clothes and doesn't care what anyone thinks. He loves to just have fun and make people laugh. He wears clothes that are not expensive but cares more about feeling comfortable. He is known for hanging out at the basketball courts and playing with some NBA basketball stars. Adam even knows how to play the guitar, even played a song for Jimmy Fallon on his show. He also sang some signature songs on some of his movies, including 50 First Dates, Wedding Singer, and Hotel Transylvania movies. So some of his great movies to connect with. Growing up in the 2000s, Adam's movies also made me laugh, and I never wanted to see the movie end. Each movie had a great storyline, and you always learned something about life. My favorite movie that he played in was Billy Madison. To me, I can watch his movies over and over again, never getting tired of them. The way he creates the characters' roles of the movies brings a lot of people's attention to wanting to come back for more. You feel like he grew up with the cast and he is so loyal to his friends that he knows to have them play in multiple movies. He even creates roles for struggling actors from the 80s and 90s along with his old Saturday Night crew members. And last but not least, Sandler's own style. Adam Sandler's tradition, into films and his creation is an empire with his production company, Happy Madison Productions. He successfully has led to him gaining a kind of freedom in the industry that every actor appears to have. Adam Sandler can pick and choose whoever he wants to cast alongside him. His real-life pals are also in his movies as well as his dear wife of 18 years, Jackie Sandler. He is the best at what he does is because of hard work and dedication, making him a famous person, an amazing actor, a comedian, and a director, having some of the best comedy verses of movies in the industry, and I can't wait for his new movie that he is acting in and directing in Murder Mystery 2. Thank you for listening to my speech.